Hook, midnight to 0:10. What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, AI agents are running entire companies, making decisions, writing code, handling customer support, and closing deals, all without a single human touching the keyboard? Context: 0:10 to 0:30. We've been talking about AI agents for months. But something shifted recently. We've moved past the cool demo phase. Companies are now deploying autonomous AI agents that don't just assist, they replace entire workflows. And the speed of adoption is absolutely insane. Main content: 0:30 to 2:30. Let me break down what's actually happening. First, the big players. OpenAI's latest agent framework can now chain together dozens of tool calls autonomously. We're not talking about a chatbot that answers questions. We're talking about an agent that can browse the web, write and execute code, manage databases, and iterate on its own mistakes all in a single session. Anthropic's Claude has been quietly powering enterprise agents that handle complex multi-step reasoning. Their latest models can maintain context across hundreds of tool interactions. That means an agent can work on a task for hours, not minutes. But here's where it gets wild. Startups like Cognition, Adept, and Sierra are deploying agents that run real business operations. Sierra's AI agents are handling customer service for major brands, resolving tickets end-to-end without human escalation. Cognition's Devon is writing production code, debugging it, and shipping features. And then there's the open-source wave. Frameworks like LangChain, CrewAI, and AutoGen are making it possible for any developer to build multi-agent systems. We're seeing teams of AI agents collaborating, one researches, one writes code, one tests, one deploys. It's like having an entire engineering team that never sleeps. The numbers are staggering. According to recent reports, AI agent deployments have grown over 300% in the last quarter alone. Venture capital is pouring billions into agent startups. And the enterprise adoption curve is steeper than anything we saw with cloud computing. Implications: 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So what does this mean for you? If you're a developer, learning to build and orchestrate AI agents is quickly becoming the most valuable skill in tech. If you're in business, the question isn't whether to adopt agents, it's how fast you can before your competitors do. And if you're just AI curious, understand this: we're at the inflection point. The next 12 months will look nothing like the last 12. CTA, 3 to 3:15. What do you think? Are AI agents the biggest shift since the internet, or are we overhyping this? Drop your take in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into what's actually happening in AI, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.